Hello everyone. Today you will learn 50 useful English phrases for hotel receptionists. These phrases are perfect if you work in a hotel, want to work in tourism, or want to improve your customer service English. Let's start. Good morning. Welcome to our hotel. Good afternoon. How can I help you? Welcome. Do you have a reservation? May I have your name, please? Can I see your passport or ID, please? Let me check your reservation. Thank you for choosing our hotel. Your room is ready. Your room number is 305. Here is your room key. Breakfast is included. Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m. The elevator is on your right. The Wi-Fi password is on this card. If you need anything, please let us know. We are here to help you. Would you like help with your luggage? The bellboy will assist you. Do you need a taxi? We can call a taxi for you. The restaurant is on the first floor. The pool is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The gym is available for guests. Housekeeping cleans the rooms every day. Please dial 0 if you need reception. Let me check that for you. One moment, please. I will call the manager. I will check with housekeeping. I will send someone to your room. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We will fix the problem immediately. We can change your room. Maintenance will check it right away. Thank you for your patience. How is your stay so far? Is everything okay with your room? Do you need fresh towels? Would you like room service? Enjoy your stay. Are you checking out today? How was your stay? Here is your bill. You can pay by card or cash. Thank you for staying with us. We hope to see you again. Have a safe trip. Have a nice day. We appreciate your visit. Goodbye and come back soon. Now you know 50 useful English phrases for hotel receptionists. Practice these phrases every day, and your English will improve quickly. See you in the next lesson.